Here some easy fixes to solve live wallpaper not working on iPhone. So first of all, we have to capture a live photo. So I'm going to my Photos app, and here I'm scrolling down and I'm just tapping on live photos. So you have to add a live photo to your wallpaper. Let's open this photo, and as you can see, this is a live photo. Now all you have to need, open your lock screen, long press on an empty area, and all you have to need, let's create a new wallpaper, and here we have to tap live wallpaper. Now tap on collections, and here you have to scroll down until you see live photos. Now from your live photos you have to select a live photo, and here we can see this live photo supports motion. So here we can see the live photo. Now I'm going to selecting another photo, for example. Also here, as you can see, these pictures supports motion. So all you have to need, select here a live photo, which live photo supports motion, and make sure to enable this motion option. And now tap on add, tap on set as wallpaper pair, and that's it. You have successfully fixed live wallpaper not working issue. Thanks for watching.